battery and camera. The Xperia XA1 Plus has a promising looking battery on paper, with a 3,430 mAh power pack crammed into its body. That's bigger than the 2,700 mAh offering in the Xperia XZ1 and XZ1 Compact that launched alongside the XA1 Plus at IF 2107, and we hope it'll comfortably last a full day on a single charge. We'll be sure to put it through its paces during our in-depth review in the coming weeks. Round the back, the XA1 Plus boasts Sony's 23MP camera, the same snapper found on its two XA1 siblings, and which on those handsets delivers a solid photography experience, although we have found that it can be a little hit and miss at times. During our brief time with the phone, we found the camera to be quick and responsive, and pictures were generally acceptable, although you'll have to wait for our full review for the final verdict. The dedicated physical shutter key on the side is certainly useful considering the size of the handset, making it easier to snap photos and grab the odd slice selfie from the 8MP front-facing camera. Early verdict. The Sony Xperia XA1 Plus looks to be a solid smartphone, with a large screen that's well suited to video playback and gaming, and a battery that should keep you going all day. We're reserving proper judgment until we've spent more time with the handset, seen the full spec sheet and found out the price, but it's so far, so good.